Okay, go ahead and ring it, buddy. Van, ring it.
Good job, bud.
Happy Halloween.
And then trick or treat.
Trick or
What's his name again? Turn around.
Trick or treat.
Don't know.
Trick or treat today.
Hi.
Okay.
Van, or I mean Finn.
Van, no, buddy.
No, buddy.
No more ringing the doorbell.
Here.
Say thank you.
Can you say thank
Put
you?
your bag, Finn.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Finn, put your candy in the bag.
Yeah, can you
Van,
say
turn
happy
around.
Halloween?
Say happy Halloween.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
We are well.
Good.
You know what? Put your candy in the bag.
Come again. Oh, you are.
Daddy, the Finn next year.